Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of natural remedies backed by science, focusing on health span over the lifespan. Natural remedies have been used for centuries to promote overall well-being, and modern research continues to validate their effectiveness. By prioritizing health span, we can live longer and enjoy a higher quality of life. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of natural cures like eucalyptus oil and give you 5 tips for staying healthy. Natural remedies have gained popularity due to their ability to address health concerns without the side effects often associated with pharmaceuticals. From soothing aches and pains to boosting immunity, these remedies offer a holistic approach to wellness. Scientific studies have shown that many natural ingredients contain potent compounds that can support our health in various ways. Prioritizing health span means focusing on not just living longer, but living better. It's about maintaining physical and mental well-being as we age, to continue leading active and fulfilling lives, offering a gentle yet practical approach to healing. From minor discomforts to chronic conditions, natural remedies provide a holistic solution that supports the body's innate ability to heal itself. Numerous studies have shown the effectiveness of natural remedies in managing various health issues. For example, essential oils like lavender and peppermint have been found to alleviate headaches and migraines, while ginger can help ease digestive problems such as nausea and indigestion. Herbal remedies like chamomile and valerian root are known for their calming properties, making them ideal for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. One key advantage of natural cures is their ability to address the root cause of health issues rather than just masking symptoms. By supporting the body's natural processes, natural remedies can help restore balance and promote overall well-being. Unlike conventional medicine, which often comes with side effects and risks, natural remedies offer a safer and gentler alternative for long-term health maintenance. It's important to consider natural options for holistic health, as they target specific symptoms and support the body as a whole. By incorporating natural remedies into your wellness routine, you can experience lasting benefits beyond temporary relief. Whether dealing with stress, inflammation, or immune support, natural remedies offer a natural and effective solution for enhancing your health and vitality. Home remedies backed by science. Are you looking for natural solutions to common health problems? You're in luck. In this video, we share 9 scientifically proven home remedies that can help you address various health issues. From soothing a sore throat to boosting your immune system, these remedies have been backed by research and studies for their effectiveness. Let's dive into natural healing and discover how these remedies benefit your well-being. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can provide safe and effective ways to support your health and well-being. Health span versus lifespan. Have you ever wondered about the difference between health span and lifespan? In this video, we explain these two concepts and why focusing on health span is essential for enhancing overall quality of life and longevity. Understanding the distinction between health span and lifespan can empower you to make informed choices that support your well-being and vitality. While increasing lifespan is a common goal, extending the health span is equally essential for enjoying a high quality of life as one age. Several factors contribute to a longer health span, including regular physical activity, a balanced diet rich in nutrients, adequate sleep, stress management, and maintaining social connections. By prioritizing these lifestyle factors, you can optimize your health span and reduce the risk of age-related health issues. Focusing on health span is crucial for several reasons. A longer health span allows you to remain independent and engaged in life's activities well into your later years. By investing in your health and well-being now, you can prevent or delay the onset of chronic conditions and age-related decline, leading to a higher quality of life and increased longevity.